Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Jimbo's Craft Store. I'm James and today I'm going to decorate this plant pot that I had left over from a plant that I put in a terrarium. So I'm going to decorate it with some Harry Potter fabric that I have left over from a cushion that I made. So what you'll need for this is you'll need some fabric and any old plant pot that you have, and some glue and some paint and a paintbrush. And so what you do is you get your pair of scissors, cut your fabric into strips. And there you go, we've got some fabric. So what you need to do is you need to just pile all this fabric over here. Just move it. What you need to do is you need to get your glue and you need to paste it all over the pot. And if you are going to use this pot, don't use the glue. Don't glue it all over the pot, because once you put glue on this and put the fabric on, it's not going to come off. And this is going to be a messy project, so you may need an apron. I haven't got an apron because I've got this board here and I'm doing it all on the board. But if you've got any kids that want to do some gluing, or if you're wanting to do this and you're prone to getting a mess, I would suggest getting an apron, wearing an apron. I've changed the angle of my camera, and let me know if this is better, because it would actually help me to, if I make videos in the future, I will do it like this so you can see better. So we've got it covered in glue. What you do now, we're going to do it on the base as well, so we need to add a little bit of glue on the base. What you do is you put the fabric on one at a time, and as I said, as in the rope bowl, you do the same thing. You put the glue over the top of the fabric. You do it one by one. And with the fabric, if you're going to do this, use light fabric. This is very thick fabric, so I would recommend using the lighter the better fabric, because it's easier to use. Okay, so now this is dried. I put some extra strips on because you're going to glue the inside. So what you do now is you take the bits that are folding inwards and you fold them outside like that. And get some glue. And you glue all on the inside and fold it inwards. Make sure you paste over the top of the bits that you've put in. If you have to adjust the fabric, then you might have to get your fingers dirty. And what we do is we get some of this acrylic gloss varnish, it's like a fabric varnish, and we put it in here. What I've done is I've put some PVA glue in this as well to make it a bit thicker. I've given it a shake before, and what you do is you paste this all over these plant pots on the outside first. So do the base. Just to make sure it doesn't stick to the thing, I'm going to put some fabric on here, and then I'm going to let it dry.